Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Pay and signing in. This authenticates your account so payments route correctly. Once signed in, make sure camera permission is enabled. Google Pay needs it to scan merchant QR codes. Next, tap the Scan QR button at the bottom. This launches the camera view immediately. You do this now because skipping permissions or sign-in causes failed scans or blocked payments. Once the camera is active, steady your phone and center the QR code in the frame to proceed to the next step. Once the QR code is detected, Google Pay decodes the merchant details automatically. You will see the merchant name and sometimes a prefilled amount. Make sure to verify the recipient name and the amount shown. This prevents sending money to the wrong account. If no amount is present, type the correct number, add a note if needed, and then tap Pay. You may be prompted to choose a linked bank account or UPI ID, so select the correct one to ensure funds debit from the intended source. Finally, confirm the details and authenticate the payment using your UPI PIN, fingerprint, or device lock. This secures the transaction. After successful payment, save the receipt screenshot and review activity to confirm status and transaction ID for records. If the QR scan fails, make sure the camera lens is clean, increase lighting, or use the manual entry option to type the merchant UPI ID. If an error persists, restart the app and retry. Most issues clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.